Hello. Can you see my face?
A little lower. A little higher. A little higher. Higher. Okay.
Okay. It might be slow because I got the night light on. Did I press record? Oh yeah, I heard press record. Hi people.
Lower.
Hi people. We just left North Star from getting the fries and stuff, and we walked around a little bit and looked at some clothes and stuff, and she tried on some shoes. So we're about to leave now, and we're headed back to the other side of town. All right, you guys. Oh wait, here's the parking lot. Wait a minute. Then we're in. Oh wait, there's a car pulling out, and there's some. The seatbelt slipped off. We're in the parking lot. And AJ is over here very, very happy.
Gonna have a nice weekend.
Yeah, she's gonna have a really nice weekend. She did it all for the Nookie. What? The Nookie. So you can tell that cookie to stick it. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna finish that song. Alright, you guys. Talk to y'all later. I might take some video while I'm on the road and stuff. Hold on. I missed it. But anyway. We're about to head out. No, I'm not videotaping you, dude. Let me see.